Today is very simple. I'm gonna sell my puts at 9:30, and I'm gonna leave you guys. I'm sorry, guys. I have another park adventure to go to.
Whoa, you're leaving. You're leaving
But
like that?
there's a gap, guys, above us. There's a gap above us at 6:24:06, and there's a gap below us at 6:20:30. Those are the best levels for like inverse plays. I'm a little bit more like always. The reason I'm bearish, guys, is right over here. I'm sending a screenshot. You see that purple, that orange trend line? That's the thinner trend line. It was never back tested, guys. Literally, like we blew past it when we gapped up. It was never back tested. So I'm very bearish, guys. Like I feel like we're gonna fill it eventually. You never know. We might fill today, guys. So that's gonna be at 615 level. But I'm a little bit bearish because structure also was broken. So if you do the higher high, higher low thing on the 30-minute chart, guys, we broke structure on the 30-minute chart, guys. That's bearish. So as long as we stay below 625.20, I think we're bearish. 625, yeah. As long as we stay below 625, guys, we're fucking bearish. So that's the game plan for me. I'm not really gonna trade anymore. I swung over 500 contracts, guys.
I'm not touching SPX today. I promise you guys. If I do touch SPX, it won't be until later.
So I'm very excited.
Good morning,
Very,
Dan.
very excited to swipe up on Robinhood. Simulated returns is 24 racks right now for my parents' account.
You might be up more than that because the VIX is gonna pop. It looks like.
I'm gonna pop up on these.
I feel like the VIX is gonna pop.
Yo, Jim fucking swung 700, 750 contracts. That's wild.
Oh
Jim's
shit!
gonna be a fucking multi-millionaire
Look at
today.
look at your screenshot. Look at
What?
the Robinhood screenshot.
Oh, whoops. It's okay.
Joey just sent that to me. Good eyes, Joey. I didn't participate in swings. I I had a very stressful day yesterday, as you guys know, and I'm not touching SPX today. I promise. 100 contracts on SPY is my max today. That is it. I'm just gonna scalp. I like to see maybe a pre-market low bounce. If we take out pre-market low and bleed out, then I'm gonna safely assume that bulls are just gonna run today, run and hide. And I'm looking at Tuesday's cluster. See our chop zone Tuesday, 620s, somewhere in there. If bulls show up today, and
Keep a look at a macro sloping support, guys.
if bulls show up today and we get above 623 and take back, reclaim yesterday's lows, I'd expect them to at least push to what is this? Previous close on Wednesday, 624 area. A little bit above 624. So we'll see. Is Jay on here yet? Jay was all concerned because he swung puts, but he's gonna be up nice.
Just Watch this sloping support, guys. If this sloping support breaks, it is game over, guys. Game over. If sloping support breaks, guys, we're going to 617.92. We're going to the low of Monday if sloping support breaks. Just react, guys. It's going to be a fun ride if sloping
Close
support breaks.
on. Could you imagine if you hold your swings and they just bleed out today?
Yo, guys, you guys don't even know how much money Universal Studios makes. Fucking wild.
Oh yeah.
This is like a vacuum of, honestly, vacuum. CRWV. I got you, buddy. CRW. Core weave. Let's see. Core weave is bearish.
Oh, do we have news today? News. Is there
So,
news?
like, you want to go long at him or you want to short? You want to go long, I would assume, yeah. So, I personally had him wait for 121. 123, fine. 23.50. But I want 121.
Disney and Universal
Like
money
121 to
printer.
123, buddy.
Money printer. All right, Lobo, I can't wait any longer.
Let me see.
Lobo. Oh yeah, baby.
Let me see.
Breakfast of champions over here. A Zoloft and an energy drink.
Wow, major support was broken at 151 for core weave. Major support. This is not looking good for core weave, Adam. Major support was broken at 151.
Hey Dimitri, I have
That
a
was
question for you.
major support. Core weave is fucked, bro. I would stay away from core weave right now.
Dimitri, I got a question for you. Is your Thinkorswim open?
Here you go, Adam. Yeah, Thinkorswim is open.
When you get a chance, can you go to the monitor tab and go to account statement and then click on account summary and tell me what your total commissions and fees year to date is? So I think
Yeah, I'll call you. Like, it's gonna be a little embarrassing telling the Discord that.
I think something I think something's wrong with mine.
I have a lot. It was a lot.
Okay. Over.
I average $500 to $700 a day.
Okay. All right. Maybe it is right then.
I average $500 to $700 a day.
Maybe it is right.
Should be right.
It just seems high. Seems very high.
No, it's not high. I know. That shit adds up like crazy, buddy. That shit adds up.
It's more than my car.
More than your job.
Dude, did you watch the video that I made last night? Like the short video?
No, I was exhausted. That part knocked me the fuck out, dude. I couldn't do anything.
Dude, I was
Super fun park.
I was replaying the live, watching the live. All right, let's hear it.
Right. I'm all out. I just sold everything, guys. Phenomenal. Phenomenal day. Retarded day, actually.
Look at the bullish power already. Come on, we need a screenshot. Do you swipe up on a Robinhood?
Um, oh yeah, Robinhood is retarded. I can't believe this. I can't even sell on Robinhood. This is
Oh,
crazy.
that's
Okay, I sold.
fucked. I was gonna say, dude, they're fucking bouncing like
Robinhood
crazy.
is Robinhood is the most fucking fraud bullshit ever, honestly.
Look at the push on QQQ already, man. Wow. Big push.
All right, guys. You guys want to see?
Yeah.
You guys want to see?
Yeah, we gotta show.
That's me.
We gotta show YouTube.
That's
What'd you do? 32,000.
that's
Wow. 23,000 on Robinhood. Nice. Look at
nice
that.
little light day.
Light day.
Light day.
That's a real broker too, folks. That is a real broker. Let's go, Den.
Nice little light day.
Hell yeah,
Let's
Den.
go, Dan. Hell yeah. Yo, Jay, you swing? I know you swung, Jay.
Yeah, where's Jay? Dimitri or Jim C's up 94K. Hell yeah, Jim. Where's Jay? I hope Jay's awake. He's got to be awake. He was nervous about his swing. Huh. He's got to be awake.
All right. I'll actually trade a little bit. Let's see. Just give me a second. That was break of structure, guys. That was break of structure. Break of structure 623.33. Puts until we're below 623.33. 23.
QQQ's looking
Pre-market
bullish.
highs is break of structure.
Oh, Jay, you're here. Nice, dude. Nice, man. Good. Congrats. Nice job, Jay.
That was. Let's see.
I don't like anything yet. I want to see if they take out 622 or we flip break of structure. I'm going to be patient today. Wait for a cycle. No gambling. I'm going to give you guys the best quality setups possible that I can do. Not just go into degen mode.
Congrats, Jay. Yo, Jay, small fills up the bucket. Never compare yourself with other people as far as contract or account size.
Look at what Jim did. Jim's a
Consistency,
goat.
Yeah, I'm nothing compared to Jim. How much I make, Jim makes pre-market probably. So, small fills up the bucket, buddy. This is bearish though, guys. Everything looking bearish. Bearish.
Oh, that's awesome. Good job. Nice measly day for you, huh? How you feel?
I've never spent so much money in my life. Like it was like a swipe fest every 30 minutes, buddy. We go to a fucking park. They're like, "Oh, you can't take your your water bottle thing with you. The one I bought, that special souvenir cup." They're like, "You gotta go to a locker." I go to a locker. Locker costs money.
Oh, wow.
It's a fucking vacuum there.
Yeah. Could you imagine the people that go there, like, vacation there with their families with, like, a whole shitload of kids, too? Like, you know, expensive. Let's go, West Side. Nice job, man. 8,000 on a Friday
Oh, I
morning.
don't know how people do it there. I don't know because I know people are in debt. I don't know how people fucking do it there, honestly.
Jim's done for the week.
Buddy, I'm done for the week also.
Yeah,
Lobo, I paid $350 for 2 tickets regular, and then I paid $500 for the fast pass, just not to wait on lines. But that thing is worth it, honestly. Anybody going to those theme parks, fast pass. I'm telling you, that express pass. So my admission was like $900 almost
QQQ.
for 2 people.
QQQ's hanging out at the top.
Bearish, bearish, bearish.
Spy's looking like it wants to go lower. Um,
Very bearish, guys. Very bearish.
I'm gonna get 622 calls on my screen. I want to wait for 622 to hit. If they blow past it, then I'm looking at
Beautiful,
pre-market
guys.
low.
Price target is about to hit, guys. Price target is about to hit. 622.28 is price target.
QQQ's pulling back.
Boom.
Now.
Price target hit, guys. That's it. If you're in puts, this is price target. This is price target for puts. That's it.
Should I try a long here?
We are below the 5-day moving average, guys. 5-day moving average is 622.75. We are below the 5-day moving average. If 5-day moving average, guys, is a resistance today, 622.75, we are going to absolutely collapse on SPY today.
I might try a long. No,
So we're below it right now, guys.
Give it another minute or two. QQQ's looking like they want to bounce. SPY's looking like they want to test this demand here, 622.
That was a perfect price target to sell your puts and get longs, guys. 622.80, 622.20s, the one I told you guys. That was a perfect opportunity. But this is a meat grinder zone, guys. This is POC, this is the 200, and this is the VWAP. And the 5-day moving average. This is huge resistance here, guys. Huge, huge resistance. We are at huge, huge resistance.
It's huge.
Huge.
I'm going to give it some time. Give it some time. No rushy today.
Huge resistance. Stick to puts for now, guys. I'm telling you. Every pop, short it. Until structure breaks. Once structure breaks, guys, it's off to the fucking races to the moon.
I wanted to try to long off of 622, but QQQ, everything's trying to go to demand. We'll see. See if we get a bounce or not. What is going on with this right now? Fucking TOS is like frozen. I need to restart my TOS. This is demand. Let's see if they do. Frozen. Let's see if they do some foolery here.
Yeah. Are your contracts showing nicely? Because my contracts are not showing.
I just had to log my fucking Thinkorswim off because my shit was like nothing was moving.
Correct. Yeah, my contracts were not showing and nothing was moving. Thank God I was able to sell.
Oh wow, are they gonna fucking do some fuckery today? Is that their game plan?
Demand is breaking, guys. This is demand. If this breaks right now, the next demand is sloping support, guys. Sloping support is 621.50s. We're gonna dump even more, guys. Dump. Empty pocket right now. 621.50s.
Am I in a position?
This is beautiful, guys. Beautiful.
No, I'm not in a position.
Excuse me.
Yeah, dude, fucking something's going on with TOS right now. I'm gonna just try. I'm gonna try a test. I'm just gonna try 5 contracts here, see if I can. Okay, I just got filled. I just shut mine off and logged back in, and now it's working. I'm in 622 calls. This is bounce zone.
Conditions are bearish. Volume is bearish. momentum is going to the bearish side. But they could do fuckery here. We're still at demand on the 5-minute time frame, guys. We need to close below it.
10 cents I'm selling. I know I'm only in 5 contracts, but
We closed above demand, guys, on the 5-minute time frame. We're still in demand zone.
QQQ.
If the 622.20s is a resistance, guys, we're gonna dump right now. We're gonna dump if this level is a resistance. Yeah, we're gonna dump, guys. This is also sloping resistance from high of day.
I'm in extremely
Beautiful selling channel right
I'm in extremely heavy. I have 5
What are you on, 5 contracts?
Yeah, I just wanted to see if my broker was working. Dude, that everything was like frozen, but I logged it off. We should bounce here. It looks like QQQ is trying to bounce, so I'm gonna put some more on. Ideally, I'd like to see them go to 621.60s. I'll probably go full size position at 621.60s, and if they crack that, then I'm just no calls. Every morning they did this, they bled out, and then we got a fucking wicked bounce. So dude,
Guys, if you swung puts and if you're up a lot, don't trade. TOS is frozen for me also. My TOS is fucked up.
dude, I can't even add to this or get out of this.
I can't even log in.
What the fuck? It won't even let me add to this.
I can't even log in. Yeah, my TOS is fucked up.
Oh, I'm gonna call them today. What the fuck?
I'm gonna thank them actually. I don't even want to trade. I'm so happy I was able to sell my position.
My shit's stuck. I have sell market on my screen and it won't let me out. Dude, something's wrong. Create closing order. Market, confirm and send.
Don't FOMO in the trade, guys, if you're trading on TOS. Do not FOMO.
Dude, I can't
You
even
don't want that fucking...
Look at my broker right now. I can't even fucking get out of this. It says buy market, sell market. It's fucking stuck.
I have the same issue. I can't even fucking reboot.
Look at this. I've never seen that before. Good thing I didn't go in 100 contracts.
Guys. Yeah, take it easy if you're on TOS, guys. Take it easy.
So how do I get out of this fucking position if I can't flatten this?
I think me and Jim C fucking drained them. Jim C definitely fucking drained them.
How do I get out of this? I can't even flatten my position.
You get fucked. That's it. You just get fucked. That's it.
I know.
You're done.
It won't even let me flatten. Well, I can't. There's nothing. There's no... Oh, this is fucking crazy, dude. Good thing I didn't fucking... Good thing I did not hit.
Can you imagine?
100.
Can you imagine the people right now at TOS? They're fucking working hard at their jobs, trying to call these people.
I need to try to log into the web version. What's the link, Dimitri?
Thinkorswim.com, I believe.
Thinkorswim desktop. Thinkorswim.
Yeah.
Thinkorswim web. Dude, this is wild.
We bounced off of strong demand, guys. 621.60s is strong demand. Strong demand here, guys. We have sloping support macro, and we have strong demand at 621.65. Conditions are still bearish, guys. Conditions are bearish. EMAs are all lined up bearish-wise. Everything is bearish. Don't forget, we did break of structure 30 minutes. Focus on puts, guys, if you're able to trade. Puts, guys. This is sloping support macro. Buddy, if this fucking breaks, it is game over for SPY.
Dude,
Game
if
over.
this breaks, I'm gonna be kind of pissed because I can't get out of nothing. My fucking everything is frozen. I mean, thank God I only did like a test and I only hit 5, but Jesus. I can't nothing's even loading up over here for me.
I can't log in. I can't log in. I logged out and I wanted to log back in. I can't log in. If you are able to trade, guys, we're bouncing off of macro sloping support.
I have 5 calls from 622. That's where my position is stuck. Let me see.
Imagine they dump it to like 615 right now.
Dude, I wouldn't be fucking
It's gonna be
surprised.
evaporated.
They do this shit on purpose. Let me see if the clear cache thing works. Is it showing me a position on the web version? I just got the spinny wheel of death on the web version. Nothing's even loading. Watch them just bleed out all day now because everybody's brokers are fucked up. You can't tell me that this isn't like a pre-planned technical difficulty, dude. There's no way.
This is macro sloping support, guys. Macro sloping support breaks, it is game over for SPY. I firmly believe we're going to 618 if macro sloping support breaks right now.
This is my level here.
Forget about this gap that you see at 6.
This
is a great level, guys, to start calls.
If this breaks, then forget about it.
know.
You gotta get out of it if this breaks.
Yeah. Yeah, it's night if this breaks, guys.
I would 621.60s. This is where I wanted to hit calls.
Robin Hood, baby.
There you go. Look at the bounce. Motherfucker, dude. That's where I wanted to hit calls.
Yeah, this is the best bounce area. Yo, I have a new milestone, guys. I have a new milestone. We're up, baby. For my parents' account. New milestone. That's crazy. I want to run this sucker up to 1 million.
Buddy,
6K, guys. 271,000.
I can't close this position. I'm only down $70 on it. There you go. Oh, nah, now it fills me when it fucking bounces. I'm staying away. I'm staying away, guys. Hell no. If I can't fucking get in and out like that, I had to shut my Robinhood off twice. And it dinged me out basically right before this punch that they just fucking... I would have flipped in profit here. That's bullshit. That was fuckery. I'm red $95.
Jim C is funny.
Wow, dude, that's bullshit. Is anybody holding calls? Congratulations. That was the best area for calls. That's where I wanted to go long.
Correct. Macro sloping support, guys. Macro sloping support held. That was the best level for calls if you had. Best level was macro sloping support.
Unbelievable. That's bullshit. This is trim zone here. Joey. This is trim zone.
All right, guys. My TOS is working now. I'm able to log in and everything works now.
It does? I'm
I
afraid to
guess
fucking get in.
they got their guys. This is the 5-day moving average again. This is the 5-day moving average. 622.70 is the 5-day moving average.
I'm afraid to get in.
We're either gonna fucking blow past it right now, or this is gonna be a resistance, guys. This is the
Cat,
5-day moving
Cat, I would
average.
get on the phone with them if you swung and you can't close out your swings. And screenshot everything you can. Or try logging out, logging back in. They should give you a price improvement if you wanted to close. That's fucked up. Just give them a timestamp. Tell them you're trying to close it at 9:44, 9:45.
We are above all the meat grinder zone, guys. We're above VWAT, POC, the 200. We're above everything right now. But there's a 5-day moving average is right here. So be very vigilant here with calls, guys. Very vigilant.
They're probably going to take this thing back north today. I need to get my loss back. I'm going to pull back to 622. I'm going to try going long.
I just hit puts, guys. I'm in puts here.
I want 622 to hit again, and I'm going to go long.
I just hit puts.
I'm not going to have a fucking red day today.
The reason I hit puts is this is the 5-day moving average, guys. I want the 5-day to stay as a resistance. If 5-day clears, it's bullish, bullish, bullish.
I'm going to chase calls if QQQ flips. 622 calls. I'm just going to take it a candle so I can just flip green on the day. And I'll wait for a better cycle. I'd like a pullback to 622, and then I'd go long off of that. 622.
Price target for puts, guys, is 622.20s. It was never back tested. We just blew past it. 622.29.
I'm going to try calls
But
here.
this is looking bullish for now.
I'm going to try calls.
Correct. This is bullish.
QQQ's at supply. If they flip, we're going to blast off to 623.40s. I'm in 622s. Let me make sure that I can fucking sell this if I can, if I want to.
No, you're fine. You're fine. My order got filled nicely.
I'm only in 50 contracts. I have $1.69 average.
I did add to my puts right now, guys. I'm adding. I'm nibbling into puts because this is a 5-day moving average.
I'm playing a potential breakout here to 623.40.
Yeah, this could break out here.
There we go. Little push for me. I just flipped back green on the day. I'm up a couple $100. Get my lunch. $1.69 to $1.75. I'm gonna take some off. I just want to flip myself green. Okay. 623.40s. Either 623.40s, I'm gonna try a put, or 622.10, I'm gonna go long. I'm all cash now. I'm green $150 on the day. Dude, that was some bullshit, man. That was some bullshit what they pulled this morning.
Boom, boom, boom. We are green, baby. Let's go. Let's dump. 5-day moving average is still a resistance, guys.
Looks like they're trying to hold POC. I want one pullback, and then I'm going to jump back in a call. 622s, 622.10, somewhere over there.
Focus on puts, guys. Focus on puts today. Until the 5-day moving average breaks, focus on puts.
Looks like we're going to wedge out.
There are more puts in on the board. 568,000 versus 498,000. There's 70,000 more puts. I'm break even on my puts right now. I'm still waiting because the 5-day moving average is still resistance. I just want my line to backtest, guys. 622.29 should backtest.
There they go.
If this breaks out, it's bullish.
623.40s. QQQ's at the top. Joe, are you still holding calls from the bottom? You never trim, huh? You're just along for the ride, huh, buddy?
I just added here, guys. I just added this is 200 EMA on my TOS chart.
623.40s. Wait for 623.40s.
This is the 200 on my. Don't forget, guys, there is a gap at 624.05. There's a gap. 624.06. Market probably want to fill that gap. Everything looking bullish right now. I'm just nibbling.
It's a crock of bullshit. I couldn't get in on my level. Pissed me off. QQQ, everything's looking bullish.
Yeah.
They're gonna break out.
Ooh.
Bullish breakout coming. New high on the Qs. Let's see if SPY's got power to flip or not.
I just added it again, guys. I'm just nibbling.
I might try Adam's strategy today. 10:30 reversal. I got 623 puts on my screen. I want them to go a little bit higher. I want them to go a little bit higher.
This is break of structure, guys. This is break of structure. 623.25 is break of structure.
Little bit higher.
Ideally, this is the best level for puts. If this doesn't work, guys, it's off to the races.
A little bit higher. And then I'm going to get in. Let's see if they do a 10 o'clock algo or not. I'm gonna get a starter here, 50 contracts, 623 puts. 623.40, I'll go full size. And if we break 623.40 and start rocketing, then I'll just sell. I'm gonna starter here. QQQ.
We should reject here. We should reject.
I'm gonna see what happens on this 10 o'clock candle. Sometimes the computer algos kick in. QQQ is looking crazy bullish right now. Like they're gonna break out. A little bit higher.
47 seconds left, guys, to confirm a break of structure. 47 seconds left. 40 seconds.
A little bit higher. I'll add. Okay, I just added 50 more. I have a $1.12 average.
Seconds left.
Let's see what happens at 10 o'clock. I'll tell you one thing, Dimitri. After having that drawdown
Yes, sir.
yesterday, being red,
The
being red
money's
today
nothing,
does
right?
not fucking.
All right, guys. We did not close above break of structure. Structure is still bearish. We did not close above.
I don't like the strength that Q's is showing though. So one pullback, and I'm gonna take my profit. I have a
I just
dollar.
added.
I have a
I just
dollar.
added some.
I have a $1.12 average. We're at $1.15 here.
That's a dump.
One little pullback, I'm gonna take my profit. QQQ still looking like they got power.
This is the most crucial level, guys. We're right on it. If this breaks, it's off to the races.
Yeah.
That's why I keep nibbling here.
This is the best. This is the best area to try.
Correct.
Here we go. Let's get it done. Let's get it done.
Boom, boom.
I got 6 cents here. I didn't book yet. Boom, 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 boom. Come on, give me one little push. Just above POC, I'll take 622.75, 622.80s. I got 5 cents here. QQQ still wants to go higher. I'm going to take some profit here just in case we explode. I can always re-add into this. I just paid myself a little bit just in case we go north.
622.30 is my price target.
I'm back to my starter position here. If we go north, I'll nibble back in.
Dump, 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 baby, dump.
If they trap fast, I'm
Let
just
me
going
just
to
get
throw...
paid for this.
If they trap fast, I'm just going to throw my 50 back on. I don't like how the Qs are holding the top of supply. I just added 50 back in. Let's see. Give me one candle. One candle. One measly candle. Yeah, 63. TOS is a mess today. I don't know what the fuck is going on, but my fills are fast now. On the desktop version, my fills are fine.
Oh, you're not using the app?
Me? I only use the desktop version. Because I can clear my cache.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's what I'm doing. From the app, yeah. I thought you were using the domain, the website version.
I'm break even on the day here. I'm up $100 here.
Bulls are trying. The thing is that now there's more calls on the screen, guys. A little bit more calls. So it's even, actually. Neck and neck now. Calls and puts are even. Let's see what they want to do. They want to break structure or no?
Q's is pulling back. We should pull back a little bit. I'd say 622.80s would be a good price target for these. And then if they try to trap through POC, that's great. But 622.80s, that's where I want to punch out. This is looking like stair-step algos trying to start, though.
Conditions are getting a little bit more bullish now, guys. Conditions are bullish, but this is a break of structure.
QQQ's weak. Should be fine for one cycle, I would imagine. I'm down $800 on the day. Not a big deal. Much better than 160,000. I don't want to add to this just in case they do break out. I'll just stop out. if we're spending a lot of time here, usually they break out. So just keep that in mind. The more
We
time.
we did not break structure again, guys. 10 minutes we tried. 10 minutes we tried. Structure is still bearish, guys. Puts. In my opinion, we did not break structure again.
QQQ wants to go south. I need QQQ under 553.90s, and then SPY will start cooking south side. There we go. Seller stepping in. Let's see if they push. Kat, do you have the desktop version of Thinkorswim? You could try clearing your cache, shutting it off, and then loading it back up. The problem is if you wanted to sell this morning when you had a different profit or whatever you did, if you swung puts, then I would take a screenshot and say, hey, I was trying to get out here.
Wow, they're pushing.
Yeah, I'm gonna put another 50 on. I'm gonna put another 50 on. POC just popped in on the Qs, so I'm liking this. I'm still liking this.
I just added again, guys. I just added.
This is looking like a potential breakout algo like they like to do, but 623.40 is my level hit to the T, and that's the level I wanted to try shorting today, so I'm going to sell my 50. I'm going to sell my ad just to improve my average price as soon as I flip green. This is giving me yesterday vibes.
We're just grinding on the sloping support right now that SPY is making from the last 2 weeks, the bottom 2 weeks.
Yeah. QQQ is
Structure.
Demand. They should go south.
Come on, slice.
I expect them to go south just a little bit. I don't need much. This is looking like an algo. Breakout potential.
There is a gap above us, guys. That's 624.06. Open gap.
I'm still in 150. Average price is $1.09. I'm down 6 cents, 5 cents here.
Patel, my price target is 618 for today. If we break macro sloping support, 618 is not out of the picture in my opinion.
Dude, they won't even give me profit. I'm like negative $200. I should have added on that pop. I would have flipped green and I could have got out of it. I'm still in. I want 623 to touch and then I'll take size off.
We did, Norval. We bounced off of it to the T, the macro uptrend.
QQQ wants to go south.
Perfectly.
QQQ, there we go. All right, I just flipped green on this position. I'm going to take a little bit of size off because POC just popped in here. I just sold back 50. I'm back to green on the day. I'm basically just trying to fuck with my average price. I need them to crack 623. 623 cracks, then printer's on. QQQ is looking good.
I want them to go to 622.30s, 622.30s, below VWAP. My price target is below VWAP. Structure again is bearish still, guys. No break of structure. 15 minutes they try to try. 15 minutes. We just rejected again break of structure, guys. We should dump.
This is important here, 623. Premiums are slow today. Premiums are slow. This is POC. Let's see if they reject POC. $623. We got demand at 623.
Yes, we do.
If they fail this breakout, I'm going to add back into this. QQQ's got a bull flag. Not much room today. My premiums are very slow. I'm like dancing around a couple $100. Green, red to green. Green to red. Usually when they have thinkorswim issues, dude, they dump. That's another thing. Market usually dumps like crazy when there's issues. Broker issues.
What is going on? I just added again, guys. I just added again.
Sounded like a double ad.
I have a lot. I have a lot.
I'm just sitting in 100 because I don't want to get caught in a breakout. So I have a $1.10 average. We're at a $1.03. 623 puts. POCs at the top here. They're showing supply, but this could be fake supply, and they could push. I don't want to get caught.
I'm adding to puts.
I don't want to get caught in a breakout candle, so I'm just going to wait. QQQ is going to break out.
Not same days. No, not same days. I am adding to July 18th. July 18th.
QQQ is going to break out.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, 623 strong demand.
I don't trust this move.
I just doubled. If they give me 623 again, I'll get out of it. I don't like the strength that bulls are showing up here, so
Conditions are bullish though. Conditions look very nice right now. Is this gap 624.06 filled already? I feel like it's filled. Yeah, I think it filled yesterday actually. I don't know why I still have it on my chart.
QQQ is grinding. Staking candles.
Correct.
Yeah.
We're about to break structure, guys. All right, structure is broken, guys. 3 seconds left. We are in a bullish structure now, guys. Structure is broken.
Here we go.
I am holding hopes.
I'm only down $1,500 here. I'm not really stressed out.
Around 5,000 on my position.
Looking like we're gonna get continuation though off of this move. I don't want it's too dangerous to chase calls here. I just doubled. I'm in 200 now.
I just added. Yeah, I just added.
I'm just trying to keep fucking with my average price. So I'll double and then on a red candle I'll sell my ad back. Just so I can stay around like the $1,000 range. I don't want to go too far against me. 10 cents is manageable for me. Very manageable. It's a small cycle. QQQ's grinding. Still want to go north. What's the ratio?
What's the ratio?
All right, now I'm getting squeezed.
761 versus 821. There's much more calls than puts.
Now I'm getting squeezed.
This is looking bullish.
I don't like these contracts now. My contracts are 80 cents. QQQ looking like a breakout's gonna come in. Previous close is far too.
I'm super curious why they did a gap down and now they're just grinding up, 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 up. How did they do that?
They always do that.
Gap downs are for buying?
They always do that. They're taking all the money back from the people who swung. I'm in 250 contracts, 88 cent average. Here we go. If you look though at structure, we broke out, retested it to the T, 623.40's demand, so we got quite a few things to break through now if they try to pull back. If this day pans out like this for the next 30 minutes, I'm just gonna jump out of here because I'm not gonna get the treatment again of the fucking slow bullish grind that happened to me yesterday. It's not worth it. Can't trade this. So you're just guessing when the drop's gonna come in. How come you're getting double filled? Or is your phone volume on?
Oh, no, I just filled twice. I just added twice.
What?
I'm adding, I have a boatload of them right now.
I'm in like heavy contract size, but capital wise I'm not because these contracts are only 80 cents. So I'm down 2,200 here. I just don't like this stair step algo that we're showing. This is just bullish. This is bullish. Stair stepping. They did the same exact shit yesterday. This looks exactly the same yesterday. When we went from 1043 to fucking to the high a day. They just stair stepped like this, so I don't want to be a part of this game if that's what they're gonna do today. Squeeze is bullish. MACD's in bull territory. Cloud conditions are bullish. Everything's pointing north. 623.40s I need to see crack. Where's my break even? I need to be under 623.40. QQQ's almost at
We are very
PCQ.
bullish.
Yeah. This is algo, dude. There's no cycles down. It's just every little red candle's getting bought up. They did this shit all day yesterday. Did this all day yesterday. They probably made so much money yesterday from people trying to short just exactly how we are doing this right now. I just want to get out of this
I'm
position at
curious
this
why
point.
they.
I don't even care. I don't even care if I flip green. I just want to get out of this fucking position. This is giving me PTSD from yesterday now. No cycles, slow candles, just slowly grinding north. Down.
Look at the conditions on the 15-minute chart.
I'm down 14 cents.
15-minute chart looking very bearish conditions.
Look at these stacking candles now.
Probably just.
I'm gonna take a loss. I'm down $5,700. My contracts are getting too cheap now. My contracts are fucking 70 cents, so I just took a loss. 5,800. Red. This is bullish. Short squeeze bullish. I'll re-enter with a different contract. These contracts are too cheap. Fucking ridiculous, dude. Short squeeze bullshit. They did the same game yesterday.
Right. I don't know if this was the previous gap. We just filled it, or if it was filled, but this was the previous gap. I'm going to remove it now from my chart.
QQQ wants previous close. QQQ wants previous close. Yeah, Adam, I have 65. 624.65. As soon as I see weakness come in and they start cracking down, breaking down a little bit, I'll jump in and just chase. But this is just a buying algo right now. Bullish. Every little red candle's got a wick below the body. Fucking short squeeze. They gap down and just take it right back north. Let me take a look. Ratio. More calls. TOS is fucking up for you again? That's not good. They got me today. They got me for fucking $5,800. like to see one more overreaction north side, like a big push and a wick above, and then I'll jump back in. These little red candles are not doing it for me. Unless we really start breaking down. But as you can see, every time we try to pull back, it just gets bought up.
Let's see. A little bit higher is strong supply. 624.50 is strong supply. So I think they want a little bit more higher.
QQQ wants previous close. QQQQ. Oh, fuck. I'm gonna switch to 625 puts now.
Which one, Orville? I got Tony Hawk number 1 and 2 on my PS5. I like Tony Hawk games.
Joey, are you still holding
Brings me
calls?
back.
I almost want to call Charles Schwab and say, hey, I tried fucking buying calls today at literally at 9:45 and my fucking broker didn't work. They're gonna tell me to get fucked probably.
Oh, sick. I'm gonna check it out. I like the number 1 and 2. I want to try it. Pro Skater 3 and 4.
What the fuck, Chuck? I know, Mark. As soon as MACD rolls over or something, I want some drama. I'd like to see a big bullish north candle with a wick above, and then I might jump. Oh, trying to short this just makes no sense. I don't know what the fuck.
There's a million calls. There's 871 puts. There's over 100,000 more calls right now. 130,000 more calls than puts on the board. But we are grinding on this algo.
Yeah.
Still bullish. 624.50 is our best target.
QQQ's at PCP. QQQ's at PCP. Do I want to try this? I want to see if they break through PCP first.
Come on, let's break this. This is the bottom of the channel.
I'm back in puts, 625 puts. QQQ is at previous close. That is why I'm trying this. I'm looking for a rejection here. Potential.
$624.50 is strong resistance. They might want to go there first.
I'm in heavy size here.
Beautiful. We just broke the sloping support. Micro.
I'm in heavy size.
We should nicely pull back there. We should pull back at least to the previous break of structure. 623.20s. POC.
I'm going to start trimming some out. Every time we pull back, we've bounced. I got 1,300 here, 1,400. I just sold 100. I'm holding 100. There we go. Flip me green.
Beautiful. Let's go.
To the
Let's
T,
get it
buddy.
done.
To the T. QQQ rejected. Previous close to the T. No, bulls are still here, man. Let's see if we can push. Bulls are still here. I'm out. I'm taking my profit. $1.58. Oh, what am I at? $1.51 to $1.58. I squeezed out of that. Nothing crazy. Just gonna try to chop it up to get myself back to break even at least. I don't want to go long here. I'll look for another put entry. QQQ is trying to roll over.
Nice little death candle on the 5-minute chart on SPY.
SPY still
But
looking bullish.
this is bullish.
The 1030 reversal, is it coming in? I don't know. Still looking bullish. Still looking bullish. Fuck. I want to see if QQQ flips previous close or not. I got the same contracts on my screen, 625 puts. I'm about to re-enter.
QQQ.
I'm back in 625 puts. I'm giving it to fresh high, and then I'll just stop if I have to. Just trying to scalp. I'm just trying to scalp my way back. Couple cents. Here we go. $1,000 here. I'm gonna take some off. Never mind. Bulls are still here. What's your plan?
I want to see both get fucking faces ripped off today.
Huh?
Damn, QQQ's bullish.
Yeah, I just want to see if QQQ can poke through previous close or not. It's kind of what I'm basing my SPY trades off of here. I'm in $1.46 is my average. 625 puts. Down 2 cents here. What, you got room service? Massage. Looking like they're gonna break out again, guys. Looking like they're gonna break out. That's what I'm saying, Norville. Fuck them bulls. But bulls are doing the fucking right now. I just added a little bit. I'm watching QQQ closely. If QQQ pops previous close, then I'll probably stop out of this. This is a bullish short squeeze. This is an algo, computer buying. Very controlled price action. Cycles are extremely tight. Very hard to make money here until they break. When they break, they go fast. I have a $1.43 average. I'm break even here. 200 contracts. As soon as we pull back a little bit, I'm going to just hit the sell button again and just keep jumping in and out of 100 contracts and still keep my other 100 contracts as runners. Unless we explode, then I stop out of everything. There goes QQQ. QQQ's trying to push previous close. Very, very controlled price action, guys. This is extremely bullish. Single direction days are very hard to trade, for me at least. Very, very hard. You're just trying to guess where the rejection is going to come in, and I refuse to buy calls this high. Look at the 5-minute candles. Crazy bullish. They need to crack 624 now.
We are at
624 needs to crack. 624.
This is strong supply, guys. Strong supply. First buy.
What are you getting, a pillow fluff?
No, we're checking out, so we're like cleaning out the hotel room.
Buddy, I might just take my I might take my red day today. I'm thinking, unless we fall off a cliff right here. I'm pretty flat here. I have 250 puts. $1.41 is my average. We're at $1.43. I'm still down 3,000 on the day. Every pullback we've bounced, so let's see if we can actually crack this time. They gotta poke through 624. I'm down down 1,400 or 2,300 here. There we go. Let's get it done. Let's get it done. Let's get it done. I'm gonna sell 100. This is bounce zone. Still holding 150. I have to book here. I have to book here. I just booked some. This is bounce zone.
Ready? Alright guys, I gotta go. I'm still holding my puts. I have July 18th. We gotta go. I gotta go to checkout.
Right,
so
yeah,
I'll be in the chat, guys. I'll be in the chat.
I'm gonna jump out of this. I'm gonna jump off after this demand breaks, hopefully. I'm down 900 bucks. Still holding 150. I want us to crack this 624 area and maybe head to the 50 on the 1 minute. 623.70s. 623.60s.
My price target is low of day, guys. My price target is low of day. I'll hold these puts for low of day. Take care, everyone.
Later. Adam, did you get squeezed today? What's the matter, buddy? There we go. Finally, some pullback. Just watch out for the slingshot. Watch out for the slingshot. All right, I just flipped green on the day. $600 green. I'm going to take some off. I'm not looking for a fucking home run. $623.90. That's still a pretty strong demand zone. It's looking like. Same thing with QQQ. QQQ 554.90. If they're below that, then I'll hold the 100. I'm up $200 on the day. If I didn't get caught in the meat grinder trying to short, just have a feeling there's going to be a nice big bounce coming in. Squeeze is here. Bullish squeeze is here. MACD's rolling over. As soon as we crack this, I'm going to start trimming some more. There we go. Beautiful. I just sold another 50. Just holding 50 now. Price target's going to be the 50 on the 1 minute. If they trap through that, then 623.40s. Finally, we're getting some downwards pressure. Just careful for the bounce, guys. That's the only thing. When a bounce comes in, they're probably going to bounce it super fast. So I'm going to punch out here. I'm all out. $1.76. I don't care if we go to low a day. I just flipped green. I'm up $1,800. I was red almost 6. So I gotta take my profit when I see it. What did you say, Gadget? TOS somehow I got filled on puts when my TOS platform went down. Now I'm back in terribly down. They said, well, the regular Charles Schwab system never went down. And I should have known to log into the Schwab main account to close the position. Oh, I didn't even know that's a thing. You could flatten your positions from the Charles Schwab webpage. That's bullshit, dude. That's a bullshit excuse for them to say. You know how much money they make? Hundreds of millions of dollars. Screenshot that, Norville. Could you send Gadget the screenshot? Dude, I would type them, go into the support page. You can type in the support page on the desktop and see if you can just tell them you need a price improvement. I would say you need a price improvement. You can always threaten them saying that you're going to go to like E-Trade or something. Sometimes that helps too. That's how when I don't know if you guys remember, we had like the CrowdStrike thing where like everything froze. I got stuck in some crazy position. I lost a bunch of money, and that's how I got my commissions down like crazy, because I was like just ranting on how much money I spent on commissions and how loyal I am to Schwab, and I said I was going to go to E-Trade and blah, 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 and they cut my commissions in half. I remember it was like a week or two straight they had a couple different issues. I don't know if you guys remember, but one was like CrowdStrike, and then there was like 2 other incidents. It all happened within a couple weeks. And I lit them up. I'm going to try to see if they put in a lower high here, guys. If they put in a lower high, I'd be interested in getting back inputs. We have demand 623.70s, 76. Down detector. Let me take a look. Oh, yeah. 6,000 people. Dude, so many people. Are you looking? Look at the comments, Norville. You see that? You see all the comments? What time is it? 10:45. We're at the top. Not much of a retrace. I'm not in anything right now. Joey, did you get out of your calls? I think Joey hit the road. You still here? How'd you do, buddy? You always stay up. Nice job. Kat, how about you, Kat? Did you figure everything out with Schwab? That's so funny, Norville. Citadel gets on the wrong side of the trade. They just have an outage. Nice job. 100%. Good job. Great work. Thinking 623 VWAP area. If we pull back to there and try to bounce off of that, I'd try going long. I'm too afraid to chase puts now because I don't want to get caught in a crazy bounce if they do it. Remember yesterday we had this pullback in the afternoon session and then we just reclaimed it immediately and then printed new highs. So bulls have strength today. That's my only concern. So chasing puts is going to be difficult. Yeah, 623 area swing is a nice area for them to hold. It's our previous floor right here. Let's see if they reject it. VWAP, I have VWAP at 623.05. Mark. Pretty strong demand there, 623. Yeah, that was that opening candle, Joey. 9:30 candle. I don't know if I want to push my luck today. Yesterday scared the shit out of me. I'm not going to lie. And I got some PTSD when I got squeezed this morning. I was like, oh, here we go again. I'm only green $1,800. Look for maybe one more trade. One more good setup. I don't see anything yet that I like. We're stair-stepping down, it seems. We got sloping resistance. But just the amount of strength that bulls had this morning, I don't trust this pullback, so let's see what their game plan is. If they get back above 624, I could see them doing a double top. 624 flips. I could see them going back to double top. I got 624 puts on my screen. I want them to go a little bit higher first. QQQ is sitting on a 50. Looking like they're just sideways now. QQQ is trying to break demand. I'm going to chase this 624 put. I'm going to chase this 624. 624 is going to be my, I'll add there. And then if we flip 624, then I'll take the loss on it. But QQQ is looking like they want to break demand, go to POC. QQQQQ. Here we go. A little push. I'm not staying in this long. Just want to get a couple cents and just jump out. There we go. There we go. I'm going to trim some here. This was previous bounce zone. QQQ's leaking. Beautiful. I got 10 cents here. I just sold half. Beautiful trade. Thank you very much. 15 cents. I'm still holding 50. Price target's almost here. One more little push and then I'm going to hit the sell button. One more little push. There we go. Woohoo! Nice. All right, this is price target. This is POC. Home run. Okay, guys. Anybody catch that? Please make my day. You caught that? You can hold runners, man. I would hold runners. Hold runners. Just put your runners, I'd say 623.55. If they flip that, then jump out. But you can hold runners. 623 demand. We got POC at 623.20. And VWAP just above. Okay. Now I feel a little bit better. I caught an actual decent trade. Yeah, man. Rom, it's like fucking clockwork, buddy. It's like clockwork, dude. So, all right, I'm going to shut I'm going to shut this broker off, man. Imagine trading 30 years ago without good internet. Yeah, imagine having to call in your orders, Westside. You know how awful that would be? But I don't think scalping wasn't really a thing back then, you know? It was more a buy and hold type of game. But could you imagine, dude, getting on the phone and you're online and you're waiting, sitting at a call screen and you're just watching the chart just freaking smoke past your level that you wanted to sell at? Crazy. Anybody got anything fun planned for this weekend? No? No fires at them? There you go. Take the kids out somewhere, man. Go to Hooters. Just kidding. Fire sandbar fishing, nice. That sounds nice. Yeah, 4 boys, 1 girl. God bless, dude. God bless you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that is it for me today. I needed today as like a reset day after yesterday's fiasco. So back to scalping. We'll hit it hard on Monday. I'm gonna hit the reset button this weekend and do some journaling on myself. So I definitely feel like my trading has changed a little bit in the last 2 weeks. I've been holding a lot longer, and I'm not really happy with my performance. So the money's been wild. It's been a roller coaster. It's been up and down, and it's not sustainable for me, and it's not good for my emotions. So back to reality. Just like this little last trade that I hit here. Freaking 2 minutes, not even in this trade, and 0 emotions. Oh, 100%, Adam. I agree with you. But at some point, you know, like yesterday, because I was in SPX, I had no choice. I really did. I'm gonna use my capital to get myself out. You know. That's the only thing. It sucks, but I think max I was like a $317,000 position I had yesterday. It was disgusting. It's actually disgusting, so I'll never do that again. I actually wrote it on a sticky note and I put it on my computer. So we'll see. 9:31 hits Monday morning. Yeah, it was crazy swing. Dude, those candles, man, were like $30,000 candles for my position size. Crazy. Oh, it's disgusting, Norville. It was disgusting. It would be cool to hit it like not being red, but I would never do that ever. I don't have the balls to do that. I only have the balls to do it when I'm bleeding. Yeah, that was the first. I've never had a drawdown that big ever. Ever. Yeah. There's not much to learn there. It's just goes to show you that if your contracts aren't completely bled out, like if your delta is still decent, you can use your capital to get yourself out. That's the lesson, but it's not a good lesson to keep in your back pocket. You shouldn't rely on that. But Save room for buying power if you ever get yourself into a situation like that, or just stay away from SPX. SPX is just a different animal, man. SPX is not meant to hold like that, and I held way too long. Usually SPX, I'm only a couple candles, that's it. Momentum. Did you hit SPX yesterday, Swing? Yeah. Dude, right, I was looking at the chart yesterday. Pretty much when I got out, I think I sold at like that 12:20 when we had that little dump. And then I got back in calls and chased calls back up. But dude, it went back straight back to the races, man, and went straight back into that buying algo. So yeah, that's a good way. It's just quick momentum scalping, but the conditions have to be correct too. Like even today, like conditions aren't correct for SPX. The cycles aren't fast enough. So you kind of have to just sit and wait. This is looking bullish now, guys. If they flip 624, they're gonna explode. $624 flips, they're gonna explode. Trying to poke through the sloping resistance here. Everybody okay today with the Thinkorswim bullshit that happened this morning? Is everybody good? Just in my experience, if you guys had, you're on the phone. If you have issues, man, just screenshot everything. Screenshot your fills, because you can see your working orders when you try to fill, and you'll have timestamps, and you can screenshot working orders. And if they didn't get filled, then everything's logged. And you can at least try to ask for a price improvement. I'm sure you're not the only people doing this right now. Trust me. I was experimenting with 5 contracts this morning, and I bought calls at 622. That bounce zone at 622. I tried to buying calls, and then I couldn't sell it. Imagine if I was in 100 contracts there. And then I wanted to buy 621.60 calls, and I couldn't even get filled. So I'm not going to bother calling them, but it's fucked up. Just like what you said, Norville. It's like the hedge funds probably got stuck in a position and they had to do a quote-unquote outage. But, all right, guys. I'm going to jump off. Enjoy your weekend. Be safe. If I see anything else, I'll type in the chat. But have a great weekend, guys. We'll see you. You're up $10. Let's go. Nice job, man. Take it easy today. It's Friday. Don't stress yourself out. Yeah, money is money. Good job to you too, June. Swing, you print. You always print. Later, Stats. Thank you, man. We're going to crush it this week. I have a good feeling about this week. I'm going to do some journaling this weekend, and we're going to crush it. So I'll catch you guys later. Take care.